Chris with Coldbreak here. One of the most common questions we get is, can I leave a cleaning solution inside of my coils? And it's best to purge them, but it kind of depends on what you're using, right? So if you're using something like barrier line cleaner, no, you do not want to leave barrier line cleaner inside of your Jockey box coils. But if you're using something like Star San at the end after you've already ran your barrier line cleaner through it, Star San is a no rinse sanitizer that you can leave in your system, but let's say you didn't want to leave that in your system, right? And so I have a Star San solution here that I can run through the system, and we'll turn our gas on. There's going to be a little air bubble in there when. Okay, so let's say you've run your Star San through your system and you want to purge your coils at the end of the day. One of the easiest and quickest ways to do that would be to just connect a coupler cleaning cap to your beer coupler, engage the tap with the beer coupler. What this does is it'll connect the system and you can empty your coils because it's pushing CO2 through your system, right? You're gonna get a nice little air bubble there, but it also continue pushing CO2 and it's gonna purge your coils, right? And so whenever you think that they're clear enough, close it off. And you can leave your coupler cleaning caps on, especially in the field, and it'll keep the ends of your beer couplers from getting dirty. So any questions from there? Support@coldbreakusa.com.